It's impossible to time the Ethereum market perfectly, but there are tools available that can give you an indication if now is a good time to buy Ether or not. One example of such a tool is the Ethereum Rainbow Chart. The Ethereum Rainbow Chart is a unique price chart that's comprised of multiple colored bands. The colors aren't just there for the looks. Depending on which band the Ether price is currently located in, we can tell if Ether is currently overvalued or undervalued. The Rainbow Chart is based on a concept known as logarithmic regression, which assumes that the price of Ether will increase at an increasing rate in absolute terms and at a decreasing rate in relative terms. As we mentioned already, the different colors of the bands are used to identify if now is a good opportunity to buy Ether, or if investors should consider selling their coins instead. The hotter the color, the more overvalued Ethereum likely is. Meanwhile, colder colors indicate a good buying opportunity. Here's how the bands are meant to be interpreted. Red. Ethereum is significantly overvalued, and is likely to drop in price soon. Orange. Buyers are dominating the market. Yellow. Investors should hold their Ether. Green. Investors should consider increasing their Ether position. Blue. Ethereum is significantly undervalued, and its price is likely to rise. Of course, the Ethereum Rainbow Chart should not be the only tool that you use to inform your trading decisions. However, it's a very useful tool for any crypto trader's arsenal. When the cryptocurrency market is dominated by the bulls and everyone is feeling euphoric about their portfolios, the Rainbow Chart can help you identify that Ether is likely in a bubble and due for a significant price correction. When crypto is in a bear market and there appears to be no bottom in sight, the Rainbow Chart can help remind you that Ether is likely undervalued, and accumulating it could pay off handsomely in the future. In other words, the Rainbow Chart serves as a sanity check for Ether investors, allowing them to understand the current price action in a broader context. Currently, the price of Ether is in the yellow band, which suggests that the best move for investors is to simply hold their coins until a clearer market trend is formed. If the price of Ether were to drop below the $1,100 level, there would be a very strong buying opportunity, according to the chart. Meanwhile, if the price advances above the $4,000 mark, Ether holders should consider securing some of their gains. Historically, the cryptocurrency market reaches its bull market peak about a year after each Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is estimated to occur in April 2024, so April 2025 could be when we see the next cryptocurrency bull market reach its heights. For that period, Ethereum Rainbow Chart predicts an upper price level for Ether at about $24,865, and a lower bound of $717, with an average Ether price across the 9 bands of $6,580. It's important to keep in mind that the Ethereum Rainbow Chart is only a projection based on past activity and doesn't take into account any external factors that can affect the Ether price, for example major news events, the regulatory environment, technical upgrades, hard forks and so on. So, should you use the Ethereum Rainbow Chart to inform your Ether trading decisions? Here are the main advantages and disadvantages of the Rainbow Chart as a tool. The Ethereum Rainbow Chart is an easily understandable and visually appealing tool for analyzing conditions in the Ether market. It also provides a unique long-term perspective on how Ether has performed in the market thus far. The Rainbow Chart can help you find suitable buying and selling points for your Ethereum trades. When using the Ethereum Rainbow Chart, it's important to keep in mind that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. The chart can be interpreted in various ways, as the underlying catalysts for price trends will be understood differently based on each investor's perspective. Also, it's important to remember that the chart does not account for any external events or sudden changes in the market. Do you think the Ethereum Rainbow Chart is a useful chart for identifying buying and selling opportunities, or do you prefer to use other indicators? Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Best of luck in your crypto journey.